In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable backend functions in Base44. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also explain what's happening on screen so you understand why each step matters. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Base44 app when you're ready to turn on backend functions. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 workspace and that you've opened the specific app you want to work on. You should see your app editor interface. From here, the very first place you want to go is the dashboard. Look for the dashboard option in the main navigation. This is usually located in the main sidebar or top navigation bar, depending on your current layout. Click on Dashboard to open the app overview area. The dashboard gives you a central place to manage high-level settings and features, which is why we're starting here. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to open the settings. Find the settings option, again typically on the left-hand side, or in the top menu of your app editor interface. Click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all of the configuration options for your app, not just backend functions. Think of this area as the control center for how your app behaves behind the scenes. Inside Settings, look specifically for App Settings. This is a distinct section that focuses on configuration at the app level, such as features and technical capabilities. Go ahead and click on App Settings. If you're managing multiple sections within Settings, make sure you're in the App Settings area and not in things like user permissions or billing. Since backend features are usually tied to the app itself, within App Settings, look for the section called Backend Functions. This is where you'll be able to manage and eventually enable backend functions for your app. Click on Backend Functions to open that page. Here, you should see information about the status of backend functions for your current plan. At this point, you'll notice that you need to upgrade your plan before you can actually activate backend functions. Base44 restricts this feature to higher tier plans, so you won't be able to turn it on until you've upgraded. Take note of any upgrade prompts or links shown on this screen. When you're ready, follow Base44's upgrade process, and once the upgrade is complete, you can return to this backend function section to enable and configure the feature for your app.